Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Love their packaging. So I ordered the low porosity rice water kit. And so when you open it up, it says, take time to love yourself. Share your box on all of these platforms, Facebook, Instagram, hashtag trust nature. If you want to share your box or your kit. And then it has like a little thank you note, this really cute paper. I don't know what this paper is made out of, but paper. And then it came with product description, a little sample of their green tea strengthening tea rinse. So in this bag, you get the tea rinse. You get a little tea bag for your tea rinse. And then you get a henna strengthening gloss. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag so I don't lose it. So that's in there. And then everything comes wrapped in bubble wrap because your jars are made of glass, which I absolutely love that because once you're done, you can reuse these for something else. So the low porosity rice water kit came with 3 hair masks. And so the regimen that they put me on was 2 moisturizing treatments and then 1 protein treatment that I should use once a month or every 6 to 8 weeks, depending on what my hair needs. So the first mask is the hibiscus, the hibiscus mask. And it is a restorative mask, so it's meant for deeply moisturizing the hair. The next mask is the guacamole, the ultra nourishing mask, and it's meant to deeply moisturize extremely dry hair. And then this is the protein, the rice water shine and strengthen hair mask. Is meant to restore hair from damage. So this is what the jars look like. Let's do a little sniff. Okay, so it's definitely filled to the brim. So it does have a herbally scent to it. So if you don't like nature or herbs or natural smelling things, you're not gonna like this. The hibiscus is gorgeous. I don't want to tip it over. Gorgeous. It doesn't smell like, it smells like cooking herbs. Let's see what's in this. So coconut milk is the first ingredient of this one. Then shea nut oil, coconut oil, avocado, cactus, hibiscus, marshmallow root, and pumpkin. So I mean, all natural, can pronounce everything, no preservatives. And I think it's because it's in its powder form and not in like an already blended creamy form is because is the reason why you don't really have any preservatives in it. So it's non-GMO, handmade, made in the US, organic. And this is the guacamole. It smells like guacamole. So that's what it looks like. This kind of looks like sand. Okay, so according to the instructions, you can mix these masks 3 ways. You can mix these masks by using your favorite moisturizing conditioner. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be using the Honey Miracle Mask. They say that none of these masks should be ever paired with a protein mask. So I'm going to use the Honey Miracle Mask. This is the most moisturizing mask that I have ever used. So in your product description booklet, it tells you about the detangler, the hair oil, the hair cleanser, but I purchased masks. So it says mask 1 time a week, so weekly 1 time. In a bowl, mix 2.5 tablespoons of your mask with 3 tablespoons of warm water, or you can use aloe vera juice. You want to mix with water and make sure the hair mask comes together, and then press out any lumps that you do get because this is in its powder form. And then you want to add your favorite cup of your moisturizing conditioner, or add a cup of your blended fresh ingredients. So along with using these masks, instead of using a already pre-made moisturizing conditioner, you can also use all natural ingredients. So on the back of the booklet, it tells you the active mix ingredients that you can use. avocado you can use, banana, milk, coconut, goat, buttermilk, yogurt, pumpkin, a sulfate-free moisturizing conditioner. You can use honey, you can use ghee, you can use mayo, and you can use olive oil to mix in to create your conditioner. And it tells you on the back of here all of the benefits of using these natural active ingredients with your mask. So let's go ahead and measure out. My hair is extremely dry, so I'm going to be using the guacamole today. So I'm going to do, it says 2.5. So 1, 2, and then I'm going to use a half. And then it says 3 tablespoons of warm water. All right, so I'm going to mix. It kind of smells like cumin. Like I'm going to go make some tacos. So it says make sure there's no lumps and bumps in here. And get as smooth a consistency as you can. So that's what she's looking like. It looks nasty. It looks like poop. Okay, and it says add in a cup of your favorite moisturizing mask. Now, I don't have a actual like measuring cup in here. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And this smells like honey. So, honey, this should like take this to a new level. I'm going to eyeball a cup. That's about a cup. Okay, so let's see. I wonder what gives that smell. So avocado fruit is the first ingredient. And then avocado seed. Then slippery elm. Then something I can't pronounce. Then eggplant, Himalayan salt. Oh, onion. There's onion here and there's cilantro. Yo, I love cilantro. So onion and cilantro is what makes it smell kind of like taco mix. Okay, so I'm going to now apply the conditioner. I've already sectioned my hair into the 4 sections. I'm going to take about that much for the first section to do like an all over saturation. And we're going to see if we can detangle with this, and basically can we detangle with it, I guess. So I'm going to warm this up in my hands. So it kind of still smells a little bit like onion and cilantro, but the honey definitely, I can smell the honey. All right, so that instantly melted into the strands. Now I'm going to break this section up into 3 subsections, and I'm going to take a little bit of the conditioner and work it on these subsections and do a little bit of finger detangling. So I think with that honey miracle moisture mask, it definitely gave me slip because I can run my fingers through easily. Hopefully my hair does not smell like onion when I'm done. Like, hopefully the scent rinses away. Okay, so I have the deep conditioner all over my hair, and I have a few initial thoughts. One, the scent of the guacamole, it's very heavy in onion. So even when I mix it with the TGIN Honey Miracle mask, I can still smell onion. So I don't know if that scent's gonna linger. I don't know if that scent's gonna stay in my head, but I can still smell onion. So that's one. Two, the texture of the conditioner. If you ever use this is a very smooth, silky, creamy conditioner, but mixing it with the guacamole hair mask, it makes the texture therefore grittier. So if it's grittier and your hair is coarser, you're gonna have to make sure that you rinse this out thoroughly, because I can see those little particles sticking and wanting to stay on your hair. So when rinsing out, make sure that you rinse a little bit more than you normally would rinse to make sure you get all the product out. So the instructions say that I need to leave it on for a minimum of 1 hour, and it's optional if you would like to add heat for 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on for 1 hour. I'm going to sit up and let it dry for 20 minutes, and then for the remainder of the time, I'll just put on my like Turby twist to lock in the heat that's been heated up from the dryer, and then just walk around with my hair and the conditioner for an hour, and then I will come back and we will talk about my final thoughts. So I'll see you guys in an hour. Okay guys, so here is my wrap up of the Belle Organics line that I used to condition my hair a few days ago. So we're on day 4, and I made a list of some positives and some negatives with the line slash, not necessarily the product, because I don't think there's anything bad about the product, but just some like things to be considering if you're going to purchase the products. So the products were in the low porosity rice water kit. So I got a guacamole hair conditioner that was for extremely dry hair, a hibiscus that was for moisturizing, and then a rice water that was for strengthening. So with this kit, it promises to over time give you, you know, growth, length, moisturization, all those good things. So some of the things that I noticed about the kit, we'll talk about the negative because that goes with some of my concerns after I got done applying the product. So one of my concerns was the smell, because I used the guacamole and it had a very heavy concentration of onion as in the smell wise. So I was concerned that my hair would smell like onion. Did it smell like onion in the end? No, my hair actually smelled really good. Once I rinsed everything out, my hair smelled normal, it smelled fine. It didn't have an overwhelming scent of onion. I was also concerned about the particles perhaps still being stuck in my hair, but I remedied that by just making sure that I really rinsed my hair out until I saw clear water and I didn't see any extra particles falling from my hair while rinsing it. One of the other things that I did want to mention, I'm not sure if I told you guys in the beginning of the video, this kit was $85, including shipping. And I think I got like a 20% off coupon that I had on this, because it was like a, I don't know what the 20% was for, but I think I got like a 20% off. So this kit was expensive. So it is an investment in your natural hair if you're going to buy this kit, because $85 is a lot. You do get 3 products for $85. You get 2 samples. They're all natural. They're Ayurvedic. And they will last you a long time because they are in that dried type of form, and you only need 2.5 teaspoons to add into your conditioner. And the conditioner of choice that you should use is up to you, and you can choose a cheap moisturizing conditioner and really get your money's worth out of the product. So at one time, like a one-time purchase of $85 versus the long run, you'll probably come out better if you continue to use them. But if you use them once or twice, you're pretty much wasting your money. So I would consider that as well. They can be expensive for a one-time purchase, but if you continue to use them and use all the products up, you're definitely getting your money's worth. All right, some of the things that are positive about this product, I definitely did notice moisturization in my hair. How did I know my hair was moisturized? Because of the way that my products applied to my hair, like my styling products. Usually if my hair is lacking moisture, I have so much frizz when applying my products that I have to really keep saturating my hair with water. But my hair was like literally soaking up my products. Like my gel was laying down my roots. My roots are always freaking frizzy. So my products were really showing me that my hair was moisturized from this conditioner. And I did not use a leave-in conditioner after I rinsed out the conditioner because my hair felt super soft and it did feel super moisturized. Now, I don't know if that's because of the TGIN, because that conditioner is bomb within itself. I don't know if the guacamole had anything to do with it, but I want to believe that it had a little bit to do with it because I paid $85. So I'm going to believe what I choose to believe. The next thing is good definition. Because my hair was so moisturized, I had really good definition. Day 1, day 2, and day 3. I've picked my hair out. I've been working out. I've been sweating my roots. So my hair does look a little bit bigger and it looks a little bit frizzier. But I still have pretty good definition throughout my hair. Normally my hair is one big giant frizz ball and I have no definition anywhere by day 4, day 5 because it's usually time to wash. But my hair still feels pretty good. And I can actually like run my hands through my hair and feel like the definition still there. So that's good. The last thing that I feel like is a good point about this product is that it's long lasting. Like I feel like since the products are in their powder form, and like I said, you only need 2.5 tablespoons, they're gonna last you a long time. You can go get a $5 moisturizing conditioner, add in your 2 tablespoons, and last you a long time. Like I barely made a dent in the jar that I had. Not tablespoons, teaspoons, sorry. You can put 2 teaspoons in there and not make a dent in the jar. So I feel like it's gonna last you a long time, and you're supposed to rotate the products anyway. So it's not like you're using the same jar or the same conditioner every single time you want to deep condition your hair. You can switch it out. So those are my final thoughts on the product. I'm gonna continue to use the product until it is 100% gone. The only thing that I'm going to re-up on would be the conditioner of choice. And I might even go try like the natural ingredients, because I can go get an avocado for real cheap, cheaper than that TGI conditioner. And I can go get a jar of pureed pumpkin for real cheap, cheaper than that TGI conditioner, and use that for my base to see the difference between using an actual conditioner versus active ingredients like avocado or pumpkin. And I got mayonnaise in the kitchen, sis. I can go use some mayonnaise too. But anyways, I digress. So those are my final thoughts on the products. I do like them. I'll continue to use them. Hopefully I'll see some results by the end of this month, going into the month of August, because I'll just leave it like that. Hopefully I see some results. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, all those things us YouTubers ask you to do. Please feel free to do, because it is free. And if you like my content, then I hope you will subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.